Hey everyone, how's it going? In this video, let's have a look at the CrDroid ROM for the LG V30. So, let's get started. First of all, I will be showing you what is the additional features that is available on this particular ROM and also talking about performance and battery life. So, first of all, let's have a look at the display section. Here, there aren't really much options because most of the options are tucked away in CrDroid settings separately. Under the sound section, you will find options for hi-fi quad DAC. So that's nice to see on a custom ROM always. Other than that, there's no major stuff outside of CrDroid settings here. So let's jump in and go there. And here are a few quick settings that are available here. So there are quite a few of them. So let me go back. And here are the CrDroid settings. So I will quickly go through them and you will have a look at what you want and what you like. And I'll talk about the performance side by side. Now talking about the performance, there's a disclaimer here. The performance on this particular ROM was pretty poor in terms of, let's say, performing in PUBG as well as multitasking and RAM management. Battery life was great on that, but it was too aggressive and I saw stutters everywhere. So what did I do? I flashed Tachyon 5 plus Orion kernel on this particular ROM, and that made things a lot smoother for me. So it is recommended that you use Orion kernel with this particular ROM, and that will make your life a whole lot better. As you can see here, you even have Q style clock here for the lock screen. So that's great. And you have some weather settings. And you have the pretty standard stuff. As you can see, there are extensive number of options here on this particular ROM. And talking about PUBG, after flashing the Orion kernel, the performance was smooth and all my issues of RAM management were just gone away. And as you can see here, there are several gestures here, carbon gestures, swipe up gestures similar to what OnePlus offers, system gestures. And you have some navigation options and buttons options and ambient display options. Always on display works here pretty well, and as you can see here, there are lots of options if you do not want to use always on, like tilt, pickup and other such stuff. And you can even customize having the music ticker. And you have style options. I've chosen the dark theme. Light theme is available here, but obviously I don't use that on an AMOLED display. And as you can see, there are a lot of options here. This is a staple of CrDroid. They offer a lot of customization options. So that's great to see here. Now talking about the battery life. The battery life for me was pretty great here. I had a full day out of it. I was traveling all day today. And I charged my phone yesterday to 100%, yesterday night, and used it at night, and then I woke up and I was traveling a lot using GPS and clicking pictures, that kind of things. And this phone lasted me the entire time and I came back with 20%. So that was great to see for me particularly, because I'm a heavy user. Now that's pretty much it for this particular ROM. If you like this video, do click on the like button and also subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. I will see you in my next video.